What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have two things to achieve. Goal number one, let's build me my first custom keyboard. Goal number two, we're gonna try to do under $100. To do that, I ended up ordering everything from Banggood. They have prices that are cheaper than other places. Caveat though is shipping takes a little bit longer. So for example, my board took me a month and a half to get here. No sponsorship is involved here. They only sent me the products to build the keyboard. No payments were exchanged. For the board itself, we're gonna be going with the LK67. This is a white edition with a knob on the side. It has like 3 keys. I personally prefer this layout because it's right in the middle of big and small keyboards. It has obviously full RGB, hot swappable. What else? I mean, the nice part about this board, it only costs $61, which is really nice. They have it in black, white, and different colors as well. So I chose the white for my build. We're gonna actually be modding this board by putting tape on the back of it, just to make it a little bit better. For these switches, we went with a very budget friendly. This is a yellow Gateron switch. It cost me like, I think $28 or $30. So which left me like $10 for the keycap. Unfortunately, I had to go $5 over, and I got these like cheapest keycaps you can get on Banggood. They were like $10 to $15. I don't even think they're double BPT. So obviously I cheaped out on the keycaps to keep our goal around $100 or under $100, but I went very cheap on the keycaps themselves because the keycaps is something that you can change anytime you want. It's very customizable. So overall, that's all we need to build this keyboard. Let's go ahead and start building my custom keyboard. Alright guys, so we have the final board built right in front of me. I gotta say, I love this board. It's just so clean. The RGB on it is super like minimal. For $100, I feel like this keyboard looks incredible in my opinion. If you guys are interested in this build, I'll leave all the links down below in the description. And before we end the video, here's a quick sound test for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.